to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. I do drop new content on this channel every single day. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. It's Monday, March 22nd. And I want to talk about Sundial growers, ticker symbol SNDL. Currently sitting at $1.30 at the time of this video, down 12.75% today, almost 13%. And earlier it was down 14% on the day. I wanted to make this video, you guys, to really talk about why I think this stock is down today and just give overall outlook moving forward for the rest of the week in regards to SNDL. Again, a lot of people are trading this stock 545 million, and today actually 313 million trades of SNDL. And again, opened up today at $1.41, did drop down to $1.30. So I do believe this is a nice time to enter, in my opinion, because I am extremely bullish on SNDL. But with that being said, let's just get right into it and why I think this stock is dropping today. So first and foremost, if you are unfamiliar with SNDL, you guys, Canadian-based cannabis company. They have multiple brands under their Sundial umbrella: Sundial Cannabis, Top Leaf, Palmetto Cannabis, Grassland Cannabis, and they're really moving from the wholesale side into the retail side, and which is creating significant revenue for them. And I've made previous videos specifically talking about the growth of SNDL, and you can watch those videos. I don't really want to get too much into that in this video, but however, I do think SNDL is making some positive moves on their business metrics side. And as far as moving from wholesale to retail, I think they are starting to create a buzz in Canada that they already did have. But let's talk about why I think the stock is down today. So today, you guys, Sundial's management team, essentially, they did announce a equity distribution agreement. And this essentially tells us that they intend to issue shares, and investors are pricing in expected dilution to the SNDL stock, which a lot of people are, probably assuming that if they are intending to issue these shares, there's going to be expected dilution. So they did announce this today, and basically this talks about, as you can see here, together with Canaccord, the agents in each of ATB and Canaccord relating to our common shares no par value that may be offered pursuant to the prospective supplement and the accompanying prospectus in accordance with the terms of equity distribution agreement, we may offer and sell common shares having an aggregated offering price up to 800 million from time to time through agents acting as our sale agents. So basically, this means the distribution agreement plans for a raise of up to $80 million. Okay. And because of what the company notes is significant volatility in SNDL stock in the last 3 or 4 months, it appears the on-offer price has not been set yet. And I really think that as investors, it's difficult to, take this information and, make a decision based on how I feel as an investor of SNDL. But so there's going to be equity, right, that is being raised and typically require a discount to the current market price. But SNDL is very volatile, and I think it's going to be tough really for SNDL to raise that kind of money, or essentially raise that amount of equity without providing a steeper discount on the shares. And SNDL's management team, again, they note in this that since they did release the earnings last week, about last Wednesday, I think March 17th, the company talked about in those earnings that there has been no recent change in our financial condition or results of operations, such as earnings, revenues, and other company measures. And they're essentially attaching that to the recent change, or I guess the volatility in their share price. But then at the same time, you guys, I think investors are also looking at this as if the equity does, raise, there's going to be dilution, right? And Sundial, like I've talked about, have been getting better on the business metric side. Their balance sheets, their financials are looking significantly better. But these equity, I guess, raises have made it possible for SNDL to acquire more companies and, try to grow the business that way, which I do believe they're doing. So the dilution here is really what is causing this stock to drop today, or the thought of the dilution. I think the dilution of this deal is likely, to have this stock continue to dip down even more a little bit to where we are dip down today at $1.30. Well, reason obviously with most stocks dropping from, a bit of a frenzy, or I guess a rapid descent is a lot of profit selling, and I don't blame a lot of people for selling their profits at this price of what it was, around $1.50, as you know, a lot of people did get in this stock under $1. So I don't blame the profit sellers, but I think a lot of people do remain bullish on this stock. And again, there are definitely some concerns and related to SNDL, and obviously the dilution, which is going to happen here. But again, I think if it drops even more, I'm looking to enter and load up on some more possible shares. That is just my opinion again. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video. Let me know in the comments below as well if you guys have any shares of SNDL and how you guys feel about this dip today. All right.